Hey guys, welcome back to DiamondTrail Ranch. Are your chicken eggs mysteriously disappearing only to find out it's not a snake, raccoon, or crows flying in and snatching them in broad daylight? That's unreal, right? That sounds like something that would just be absurd. You're not alone. Crows are smart, they're sneaky, and once they find a free meal, they don't forget where it came from. They are very sneaky. But today, I'm going to show you how to stop them fast and protect your flock for good. First and foremost, here's why this is happening. Crows are one of the smartest birds on the planet. They remember where food is, they communicate with other crows, and can literally watch your chickens lay, wait until you're gone, and that's when they swoop in. They always come in on these trees here. I mean, they will literally watch them lay. Once they've identified your coop as an egg buffet, they'll keep coming back daily. How do you stop the crows? Well, you got some physical solutions. Here's how to shut it down. Keep the eggs collected, right? The longer eggs sit in the nesting boxes or free ranged all over the property, maybe in your goat pens, the more chances crows have to spot them. Check at least twice a day if you're under siege by crows. Cover your run. Use bird netting, hardware cloth, or even paracord spaced a few inches apart overhead to break up flight paths. Crows hate limited airspace. That's why I'm showing you the tree line here. This is where they come in here. They always sit up here and they wait and then they come down. Use rollaway nest boxes. These are a game changer. Once the egg is laid, it rolls out of sight into a collection tray. No egg in the box equals no reward for the crow. You also have behavioral deterrents that work. Fake predators for crows, an owl decoy, or even a hanging dead-looking crow. They sell them online, not real, of course. Can scare them off, but you must move it around every few days. Crows are very smart. They'll know if it never moves. Shiny things, hanging old CDs, aluminum foil strips, or reflective tape near the coop can disrupt their approach. Combine it with some noise like wind chimes, motion sensor alarms, and it becomes even more effective. A bonus tip for long-term success for you guys: want to make sure they never come back? Limit the food scraps outside. Crows will show up for kitchen scraps and end up stealing eggs. Keep the coop area clean and feed only what your flock will finish. Try a scarecrow drone or decoy with sound. Some folks use crow-specific deterrents that trigger crow distress calls. It tricks them into thinking one of their own got attacked. This is what you don't want to do, though. A quick warning. Don't try to poison or harm the crows or hit them with a BB gun or anything crazy like that. In many states, they're federally protected under the Migratory Bird Treaty Act. So instead, you want to outsmart them. Make the eggs inaccessible and the environment uncomfortable. Crows are clever, but you're smarter. With a few smart changes, you can keep your flock safe and your egg basket full. If this has helped you guys, subscribe for more tips, quick information to protect your flock, save some money, DIY, and build your backyard homestead one smart step at a time. Let me know in the comments what has actually worked for you against crows. Let's help each other out. This is a community. Thanks, guys.